Hello everyone! We are the Group 12 and I am Maria Cristina Emma Prado
And I am Mark Lester A. Cabalang.
and this is our hiking journey.
Why we chose Mount Parawagan? So basically, we chose Mount Parawagan because this mountain is one of the most demanding and beautiful mountain hikes na matatagpuan sa lungsod ng Rizal. And this mountain din po is located at San Rafael, western side ng Sitio Wawa Dam, na kung saan nagilid po siya sa ruta ng Sitio Parawagan. And dito din po is makikita natin yung mga tiny streams as well as yung mga mixed forest po, and also yung especially yung yung Sierra Madre, na kung saan isa sa bundok na nagpoprotekta sa ating bansa. And lastly, pag nakaabot na po kayo dun sa pinakatuktok, ay makikita nyo po ang La Mesa Dam and also the Makati skyline na may layo ng 6 na kilometro.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Daniel Carrasco. So ano nga bang kailangan natin para makapag-hiking tayo? Ano yung mga essential na gamit natin? So unang-una na dyan is yung backpack. Ito yung lalagyan natin ng mga essential na gamit natin. Kagaya ng water. Kailangan natin to para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate sa ating paglalakbay. Next is yung canned goods. Yung mga snacks natin. And yung medkit natin. So, ano bang meron sa medkit natin? Cotton, yung alcohol, and betadine. Ito siya. And next naman, kailangan na natin ng insect repellent, power bank, and syempre, pocket money. So, optional siya. And kaso kailangan din natin ng t-shirt, extra t-shirt. Yun lang.
Here are the 6 tips and safety when doing hiking. So, first, no matter what your activity, be sure to drink a lot of water. Second, wear your sunscreen even if it doesn't seem outside. No matter what the temperature outside is, exposure to sun can burn you.
Third, we should check the weather. When going in an adventure, we should check the weather for thunderstorms and forecast for the mountain that we are going for a hiking, so that we can prepare and avoid accidents. And fourth is travel using the body system. Traveling with the body system helps us to protect ourselves from unpredicted problems and emergencies.
Tip number 5 is we need to wear appropriate clothing. So basically, we need to wear appropriate clothing in order for us to avoid harm and also to avoid emergency situations. And the last one tip is bring medicine kit. So basically, we need also to bring medicine kit in order for us to be ready in case of emergency.